What we've got here is a case of penetrating damp coming through from the outside. So we're going to hack it off back to brick, put a tanking membrane on top with waterproof render and finish off with skim. As you can see, I've already just taken the wall down slightly to see how deep it's going. However, we're going to crack on now and get the wall done for the client back to normal. Right, as you can see, the waterproof tanking is drying up nice. It's ready for a coat of the waterproof render, the first coat, the scratch coat that's going to go on now. That will create the base for the wall we're building out.
So this is the finish coat of the waterproof render. It's basically the second to last step of the waterproofing stage. After this, we'll apply multi-finish gypsum to blend into the wall. So this client had penetrating damp coming from the outside pointing and the roof above. The roof issue's been fixed. We've applied our damp proof membranes, and as you can see, this is the finished product. 6 weeks drying time for it to be painted, and happy client, I'd say.